It's recording. If you press that, you'll lose it.
Mhm.
You have to press stop so it'll save it.
Oh, okay.
And, yeah.
Hi, everybody. Hey, Mattia's opened up a birthday present, so. Yeah.
My present? My present!
This is from Great Grandma in Boise. Remember? Remember Funny Great Grandma?
It's my present!
Let me get it out. Get off the table. Get off the table.
This is mine? This is my present?
There you go.
What is my present?
What is it? What could it be? You want me to cut that?
Get her face. Back up a little bit. Get her face.
I can't.
Can you do it then, please? I'll just do something without me having to.
I wouldn't hear
What is that? What could it be? Wow. Turn it over. Turn it over. Like this, honey. There, now open it. Oh, there's a birthday card.
Look at that.
No way! This is my dolly!
That's your dolly?
No way!
No me. No me. Oh. That's for Sissy's birthday. That's Sissy's happy birthday. Yeah. Is that your dolly? You love her?
Take a picture.
I did. I am. Say thank
see.
you. Say thank you, Grandma.
Take it to ma. Let me see.
I'm taking video right now. You want us to open the card?
Yeah. Card.
Card.
Okay.
Yay, Elia got pink wrapping paper, Elia. Yay. Look what you got.
Mattia, look. In the envelope.
For you, Ma. Sheena.
For you to
No,
read.
it's not
Look
for
it.
you.
What's Mattia? What's this?
Elia.
That's funny.
That's money. Wow, you got your own.
No way.
That's Mattia's money.
This is a steal.
See, this is my money. My money, Sheena.
Trina. Wow, what does the birthday card say? I can't.
Trina, where's the sticker?
Right here.
Let me see what's on my
Got a
birthday.
videotape and be there.
For you, sweetie, is what it says.
Happy birthday from Great Grandma.
No.
Wow.
What's it say on the inside? Let's see. Open it up. It says, a birthday wish to tell you hi because you're such a sweetie pie.
Hey, it's my story.
It's a card, Elia.
Who is it?
Yeah.
Who is it?
What's the letters? You know them.
You say the letters?
Who was it? Y-A. I got a knock on
Wow, smart boy. And here's Kevin.
That's it.
Here's Kevin on Mattia's 4th birthday. Yeah.
Yes, it is.
Okay, say bye. Thank you, Grandma.